We'll guide you through how to fix Google Chrome download failed. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really disruptive as it stops you from downloading what you need for work or for whatever you want it for. So we've got some different fixes you can try. First of all, do just ensure you do have a stable internet connection. If it keeps dropping in or out, that is why it keeps failing. The next fix you want to do is press the three dots in the top right and go to your settings. Go to the left and press downloads, and what we can do is try changing the location, press change to the right. You want to go down and you can press this PC, and do just make sure wherever you're trying to go and save it has got plenty of storage. Press select, go and see if changing the location goes and solves the problem. If it still doesn't, then what you want to do is come out of Chrome, press search at the bottom, and you want to go and type in registry editor, like so, open it up. You'll go and get an admin pop-up you need to agree to. The top here, expand HK local machine with the arrow to the left, then expand software, and you want to go down and expand Microsoft, and then go down and you want to go and expand Windows, then current version, and then policies. Click attachments and you should then see the option scan with antivirus. You can go and double click it and you can go and set the value data to 1. Press OK like so, and then what you want to do is go and close this and you need to go and restart your computer. Hopefully that solves the problem.